from day 1 to day 7. Welcome to a journey of self-discovery and personal growth. Day 1. Self-awareness. Focuses on self-awareness. Reflect on your habits, strengths, and areas for growth to identify one key change to pursue. Day 2. Setting goals. For setting clear goals. Identify changes you want and break them into actionable steps for growth. Day 3. Embracing change. Step out of your comfort zone and try something new today. Day 4. Building resilience. See challenges as chances to grow and use past experiences to strengthen your resolve. Day 5. Cultivating positivity. Surround yourself with good energy, practice gratitude, and note 3 things you're thankful for daily. Day 6. Enhancing communication. Practice active listening, express yourself clearly, and seek feedback to build better relationships and opportunities. Day 7. Reflect and celebrate on the final day. Reflect on your journey, celebrate your progress, and set new goals for continued growth.